Thank you all my families because of your support and love. Today we have completed 5,000 and above subscribers. Hi, it's me Zileng Woman, the host of this channel. I am basically from Pisongkai, which is called Pikaukum. I have started using this YouTube channel since last year, that is 2018. As per my YouTube subscriber count, I have completed 5k, means 5,000 subscribers within 1.5 years. So thank you so much. Keep on supporting so that I could make more better than this. Here is a self introduction video for YouTube. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I am Zileng, the host of this channel. Today on this episode, we are going to watch how I introduce before I start my vlogs. Hi guys, once again welcome back to Fresh Talk. Here you are watching introduction video. So please never skip the video and watch the video till the end. Hi everyone, I am Zileng, the host of this channel. Today on this video, we are going to watch how I made YouTube introduction video. Hi, what's up guys? Once again welcome back to Fresh Talk. Here I am, Mr. Zileng, the host of this channel. So here you're watching Fresh Talk. Hi everyone, after a long gap I'm back to my channel. Here you're watching Fresh Talk. So today on this video we are going to watch how I made self introduction video for YouTube. So never skip the video and watch the video from starting to the end. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I have made this video because I have nothing to do on this lockdown and I could not able to invite my friends, so I alone act on this episode. So see you again in the next video.